Hi, welcome back guys, it's RLC321 here, back again with the continuation of the build series. As I said, we have cut off the parts from the few seconds, well for you it would be a few seconds ago, for me it was like 15-20 minutes for the core fighter. I'm not going to worry about putting put it on stands because it's going to have to be transformed at some point to go into the actual robot itself. So what we are going to do is just basically build the core fighter. So to start, we get this part here and this part, and what I am going to do, because that sun is in the way, I'm going to quickly pause this again, close the curtains, switch on the lights just to make it better, because the sun is glaring on my hand. So 1 second, hold on guys. Right, okay, sorry about that guys, I'm back again now, that's a little bit better. So, as I was saying, we're going to get these two parts. Actually, it's best if I have my manual right here where I can see it. So, get these two parts, which is what we first cut out. And it's telling me to make sure that's facing that way, just like that. Can you see that? So this part's got to be facing like this. And that just slides into here, like that. Then we put that down, and we now get A20, which is this part here. We get A4, which is this clear canopy part, and that goes in this top hole, right there. Come on, go in the hole. There we go. And the part we just made goes into here. Again, remember that same orientation. And then we get A40, which is this dark black part here. And that is supposed to go into there, like that. Then we get the opposite side and put them together, just like that, and then we can close the canopy down. Now obviously the canopy is going to be painted, it's going to involve quite a bit of masking, well, minute masking, but we'll cover that later, as I say. So anyway, we've now done that part. If you can see that here, let's bring it up close to the screen. There you go. That part's now done, so I just put that to the side. We then get this part and that one. Let me just move that over there out of the way if I was going to knock it down. And this, if we get that in focus like that, that's got to be facing that way. Make sure it's not facing that way with those. Come on, there we go. With those bits there, it's got to be like this. This in this position. This goes up into basically into there. So it's like that. And then once that's in there, we we fold this up and over to fit in there like that. Oh, okay. Right, just in case you guys didn't see that, just because it probably was. This part we've just put in, what we do now is we flip it over and in to there. Okay. Right, so then we put that and we put yeah, right, okay, so then we just leave that to the side. Then we get G16, which I believe is this part here, with this part here, right, and it should be facing like this as well. Okay, and we get this part we've done, and that just clips into there like that, and we get A19, which is this here, and this clips in there. Does it? Yep, that clips into there, just like that. Okay. Then that part we done earlier will fit on there. So it looks like that. Brilliant. Okay. Now, once it's like that, we get this part. You probably notice I've got two different sides. There is a reason for that. It's just so I know that this is going to go on. Everything on here is all going to be on the left side. Everything on here is going to be on the right side. Yeah, it's just because we're looking at it in the camera. That's the right side. That's the left. Okay. Just makes it easier to do. So first things first, we need to get this and slide that into there. Does it go downwards? It's like that, and then same with the other side. Goes in there. Come on. The other one went in fine. Why doesn't this one want to? Come on. Excuse me a second. Why doesn't that one fit in? Is that in all the way? Yeah. Or no, that's right, because that goes down the bottom. Let's tell me to put these into there first. So it's just this side just doesn't want to play for some weird reason. Come on. So there's a little bit of a gate here, but that shouldn't be that much of a problem. Let's clean it off anyway, just to be sure. Because the other side went in fine. Because you've got like a small lip on here. That lip goes down the bottom and into here. But as you can see, it doesn't want to go in there at all. The other side was fine. Ah, there we go. Right, it managed to get in. So it's like that. And then we get this part, and with, you can see those little edgy bits there. They are supposed to go at the bottom, and oh, poo ass. Right. Okay, so if that goes, let's try putting it into here first, and then put it in there. See if that helps any. Now I'm going to try it differently. See if we can do it this way first, and then slide it in. It goes in, but it doesn't stay in at the bottom then. So how do you lock them into place? Because yeah, that's how it's supposed to go, but it's, I think, Not too sure how this is supposed to work, because if that goes down at the bottom there, it keeps bloody falling out. Right, there is some kind of instructions in Japanese and I have no idea what it says. In theory, this is how it should work. But as you can see, it's very... oh, balls. Right. So let's see if I can get this all the... that's in the right way. Right, because that's in there. That's how that seems to supposed to go. But again, it's not locking into place. Right. Let's try the other side. Yeah, okay, let's try that again. Get in there, come on. Come on. Right. Yeah, that one's really loose. I have no idea why, but you get the idea. No doubt going to have to glue that into place after we finish painting it. So, anyway. That's that bit there. This side's still very loose, so I'm just going to... there's not much I can do about it for now until I glue it. Right, then I get this part here. And it looks like in this kind of position I will need to put... looks like I've missed a part out. Okay, G. That's E, G. Yep, I've missed a part. There they are. That sounds about right for me, doesn't it, really? Right, G17. There they are. Let's quickly clip them out. G17 and a G17. Right, okay, now then. Those G17s here, one, you see that little notch there? You've got like a notch and then you've got a ball joint at the end. Right, are you going to focus for me? Come on, there we go. See, they've got the notch and the ball joint. Well, that notch fits into there. Oh, bugger. Come on. Well, supposed to fit into there. Like that. And then obviously we do the same on the other side. Because this is what's going to be holding the thrusters into place. So, push it down. And then pull it down like that. Okay, let's make sure this one's in properly. Oh, nope, that wasn't. Okay, so put it in like that from the top, push it down, and not supposed to happen. Let's try again. push it in and turn it around like that. Okay, then once you've got that, we get these parts here. Now with this hook facing that way, so it's looking like that. Okay, that should slide into here. Come on. No. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Oh, come on. Why don't these things don't wanna play with me today for some weird reason? Right, have I got that in the right way? So that's like that. We got that, like that, with that, like that, and that goes into that groove there. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Doesn't want to stay in. Ah, there we go. Oh dear, that's awkward. They're very loose. And this goes the same way. Is there supposed to be a gap? I don't know why I'm asking you guys. You guys don't know. Right, has anyone built this before? Is there how the frig are you supposed to get these in there? There's the hole, yeah, okay. This is stupid, is it? So we'll like this. That facing down. Ooh, hang on. Hang on, there we go. That's it. Okay, right, so let's get this right. This facing this way goes into here like that. That's why it wasn't fitting in before. Right, as you can see it now. There is methods in their madness if things don't go in properly. Can you guys see that? If things don't go in properly, it's not Bandai's fault, it's yours. Basically mine. So I didn't get that right. So anyway, that's that bit done. Right, turn the page. So now we need to do is we get this part here and get this little tail section wing, and that just fits into there like that. And let's do the same for the other side. Okay, so that goes like that and like that. Right. So we put those there. Then we get this part, and we're supposed to put this clips into those things we just put in earlier, like that. And then we get this wing part, and that, find the hole, guide it through. That slides into there. I'll do the same on the other side. That slides in there, because then, as you can see, the wings, the tail feathers can slide up and down. Okay, that's good. So once you've done that, we now have to put these small little blooming parts in, and the orientation is like that. Nope, like that. And these, in theory, should go in there. Let's do the same for the other side. Like so. And get the tail thrusters. One will go there. One will go there. Just like that. There's the tail thrusters. Okay. And we get one wing. And this wing clips onto those clips we just put on earlier, which were a pain in the ass, so that goes that way. And same with the other side. Come on, clip on, there we go. Where's that? Let's put that back in. Bummer. This is going to be a bane of my life, I can see it. Because that's not... Right, then check that. It's telling me to check, make sure they can fold up and down. Yes, and they can. Right, so let's put that to the side. Then we get these parts, and we need that. Whoops. That one, this part, like that. We get this part with the bally type joint end goes in that way, like that. This and this. Again, I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can get this up quite close. They are pegged a certain way, so it can only go in one way. And then that plugs into there, which then will clip onto this part of the wing, hopefully, if I can get it on. Right, like that, but in that position like there. Right, let's do the other one. And there we go, that's... yeah, that's it. There we go. The Core Fighter 2 is now complete. Oh, balls. Except for this part. I really don't know what's going on with this part. There's got to be a reason for why it's not staying in. I don't know what it is, but there you go. But anyway, that's it. It's the Core Fighter 2. Is now complete. So we're just going to put this to the side here. And the next video, we will be building... oh, it looks like the ankle unit. Which is basically... ankle and the right leg. Obviously you only need to see me build one leg. You don't need to see him build the others. So... this is RLC321, signing off for now, and I hope you have a good one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.